Hello everyone, we are Team Hacknowledge. So today our selected theme is Open Innovation with AI. Our title is AI powered multi-agent DevOps system. Utilizing agentic AI, a system automates the entire DevOps pipeline, being infrastructure as a code, containerization, orchestration, cloud deployment, auto-healing, and monitoring. Six intelligent agents collaborate seamlessly to eliminate manual works, enabling developers to deploy production-ready applications via single CLI commands. Our solution is an AI DevOps agent, a multi-agent system that completely automates deployment. Instead of developers spending days writing Terraform codes, Docker files, and Kubernetes manifests manually, our six intelligent agents work together to do all of them automatically, the resulting in production-ready application developed in minutes and not in days. Now coming to the next slide of the PPT, problem statement. The real problem. The application development is easy now. Framework, libraries, everything is ready, but deployment remains a nightmare. Problem developer faces. Docker complexities, Kubernetes nightmare, too many tools, step learning in curves, architecture design, fresh developer lost, resulting in deployment takes a days instead of minutes. DevOps teams are burned out. Today, problem is a paradox. Building a web application is easier than ever. You have React, Vue, Node.js. Everything is ready to use, but deployment that application, that's where everything falls apart. Developers face Docker complexities. You need to learn dozens of commands, optimize images, sizes, understand networking. Then comes Kubernetes, YAML file clusters, setups, configuration nightmares, pipelines, monitoring tools, etc. Even experienced engineers spend weeks or months mastering those tools. For junior developers, it's impossible, they are stuck. They can code beautifully but can't deploy anything. This resulting in junior developers development takes days instead of minutes. DevOps teams are completely burned out. Small companies can't afford to hire DevOps specialists. It's real problem. Now coming to the next slide. Proposed solution. Our AI DevOps agent is an intelligent multi-agent system that automates the entire deployment pipeline from code to production. It eliminates the manual work and complexity while providing an enterprise-grade automation. Architecture blueprint. There are total 5 agents working in this project. Agent 0, Infrastructure Generator. Agent 1, Container Engineer. Agent 2, Orchestration Architecture. Agent 3, Infrastructure Provisioner. Agent 4, Application Deployer and Operation Monitoring. Role of generative AI in this solution. Generative AI enables the intelligent decision making at each stages, analyzing application code and generating optimal infrastructure configurations, creates context-aware deployment strategies based on application types, identifies and fixes issues automatically without manual intervention, learns from deployment patterns to continuously improve solutions. Technologies used in this process. Framework, Agentic AI, LangGraph or Crew AI. For multi-agent orchestration, language model. Cloud AI for code generation and analysis. Infrastructure, AWS SDKs for AWS Resources Management. AI approach, Agentic AI. Cloud provider, AWS. Speaking points. Speaking points are already. Our solution has six intelligent. Our solution has six intelligent Our solution has six intelligent agents working together. First, the infrastructure generator analyzes your code and creates Terraform files for AWS. It undergoes your application's types and generates optimal configurations. The container engineer creates an optimal Docker. It's not just a Docker file. It follows the best practice, minimizing image size and ensures security. The orchestration architecture generates a production-ready Kubernetes manifest of deploying services, ingress rules, everything automated configuration. Then the infrastructure provisioner runs Terraform and provisioner our AWS infrastructure. It setups VPCs, security groups, EKS, clusters all automatically. The application deployer takes your Docker image and deploy it to a Kubernetes cluster. It waits for everything to be healthy before considering it time. Finally, the operation monitoring continuously matches your applications. If pod crashes, it auto heals. If traffic increases, auto scales. It's self managing. All of this is powered by a cloud API for intelligent code generation. LangGraph for agent orchestration, and AWS SDKs for cloud management. The magic is agentic AI. Each agent makes decisions based on context and they collaborate intelligently. What makes a project unique? End-to-end automations, intelligent agent collaboration, terminal first design, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes interactions, self-healing intelligent. First of all, it's end-to-end tools like Versal or Heroku handle deployment, but they don't generate infrastructure code. Terraform generates infrastructure code but doesn't handle containers. We do all three: infrastructure, container, and orchestration in one system. Second, agents are intelligent. They don't just run commands in a sequence. Each agent understands context, collaborates with each other agents, and make smart decisions. This is through agentic AI, not just automatic scripts. Third, be terminal first. DevOps professionals love the command line. No complex GUIs. Just a clean CLI interfaces where you control everything. Fourth, the integration of Terraform, Docker, and Kubernetes is rare. Most tools specializes in one. We provide all three working perfectly together. Finally, we have self-healing intelligent. After deployment, our agent continuously monitors our application. If something fails, they fix it automatically. This is beyond what standard deployment tools do. What make our project unique? End-to-end automations, intelligent agent collaboration, terminal first design, Terraform, Docker Kubernetes interactions, self-healing intelligence. What makes our solution different from existing tools? First, it's end-to-end tools like Versal or a Heroku handle deployment, but they don't generate infrastructure code. Terraform generates infrastructure code but doesn't handle containers. We do all there. Three, infrastructure, containers, and orchestration in one system. Second, our agents are intelligent. They don't just run commands in a sequence. Each agent understands context, collaborate with another agents, and make smart decisions. This is true agentic AI, not just the automatic scripts. Third, we are terminal first. DevOps professional love the command line. No complex GUI. Just a clean CLI interface where you control everything. Fourth, the interaction of Terraform, Docker, and Kubernetes is a rare. Most tools specialize in one. We provide all three working perfectly together. Finally, we have self-healing intelligence. After deployment, our agent continuously monitor our applications. If something falls, they fix it automatically. This beyond what standard deployment tools do. This is the future of DevOps. Intelligent, automated, accessible to everyone, and beginner friendly using terminal based. Thank you so much.